Let me ask you a question, veg heads. Turmeric or not turmeric? That is the question. And that question can be answered with a turmeric latte. Coming up on Vegiverse. Stay tuned. Veg heads, I'm telling you, this hot, cozy beverage for just the winter time is just what you need. Tons of nutritional benefits, lots of spices, add flavor to your life. Make sure you pause this video, write down the recipe, and you can make it. I made both of these and cleaned up my mess in 10 minutes. Super easy, super duper easy. I wouldn't be making it if it wasn't easy, because that's just the way I roll. So the spices are turmeric, obviously, cinnamon, and you're supposed to use nutmeg, but I didn't have nutmeg, so I used, what did I use? No, you're supposed to use ginger, and I used nutmeg. That's what it was, and it tasted good. I had raw nutmeg, but I didn't feel like put that in. So 350 mils of your favorite nut milk or plant-based milk. It's about half eggnog, half almond milk. I figured the eggnog would add a little punch to it. So once you get all your ingredients in, you're adding your maple syrup and then your vanilla, put it in your pot, let it simmer. And once you get it on the stove, make sure you press out all the clumpies that are in there, mix it up really well, stir it up, and you'll know when it's done when it has that nice yellow turmeric color. So there's my eggnog. I decided I'm gonna try this in a shaker cup, see if it's a little easier. And it was way easier. I figured if I put it in the shaker cup, I can take it to work, put it in my favorite mug while I'm at work, and then just microwave it. I think it's gonna work out that way, but I forgot it at home this morning when I'm editing my video, so I never got to try it. But I tested it cold, and guess what? It's delicious cold too. It doesn't have that same cozy feel to it that a hot coffee or a hot tea would. But it's tasty. It's super tasty. It probably has something to do with the high fructose corn syrup that's in there, and the vanilla, and all that almond milk, all that sugar. It's loaded with sugar, probably. But maybe not the healthiest, but you also get the benefits of the turmeric and the cinnamon, the nutmeg. They all have healing properties. We all know that. If you didn't now, because there's clips all through this video. So yeah, just put it on the pot. I made the cold turmeric latte while my hot one was boiling or heating up. So you definitely have time to make this. See how nice and colorful that is? That's a turmeric color. FYI, if you've never used turmeric, don't get it on your clothes because it stains quite well. Man, that was some good. I want some right now. I should be drinking some while I'm voicing this, doing the voiceover for this. So yeah, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I don't have a mustache anymore, so I'm less creepy. Some of you might think I'm more creepy now without a mustache. That's hard to pull off. Only a few people in the world can do that. Tom Selleck and myself. Anyways, keep lifting veg heads, keep eating well, keep saving the planet, keep being you. It's 2020, let's do this.